To make a beaded ring, I thread all of the beads with my wire and I double check to make sure it's the right length. I check by also removing the ring, making sure it fits. I put a crimp bead in the last at the end and I thread two to the right and left of that crimp bead like this, and this gives a little bit more room. And it's easier to use a pair of pliers to pull it. Make sure that it's tight and there's no slack. And when I'm happy with it, I crimp down like this. And I use a crimp cover, slip it on, and it ends up looking like a bead. And I gently use a pair of pliers to close it like this, make sure that's not going to slip out. And when I'm happy with that, I then trim the excess wire. And I tuck in the sharp ends by shifting the bead and tucking it in like such. And here's a finished ring.